Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently Aliexpress website contacted me and asked me to promote one of their brand, like cosmetic brand. So they gave me a bunch of stuff and asked me to test and try and do a review on the product. So here I am going to be talking about the experience and the product's quality in this video. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. This is not a sponsored video. These products actually came in my PR mail. Let's just begin. So before we begin with today's video, I would like to show you the combination of the product that I used on my lips today. So today I used the Nykaa's Chai liquid lipstick to fill my lips entirely, and I topped this Flirt Huda Beauty liquid lipstick again on the top of the color. So that's the combo for today. So the brand I was talking about is COCUTE. And I don't know if you have heard about this, but I haven't even heard about the product before they contacted me. So I just thought of giving them a try, and since they were on the affordable side, there are so many other brands in the market where they do sell the products at affordable range, and the quality of the product is amazing and outstanding and everything is so good. So I just thought of giving this a try. If it actually works good, then I could actually suggest this. So I just kept my hands on some lip gloss and an eyeshadow and a liquid highlighter. First, let me talk about the COCUTE lip glosses. The name of the lip glosses are like, let me read it out loud for you. 2018 Hot Matte Liquid Lipstick Lips Makeup Long Lasting Makeup Proof Easy to Wear Matte Lip Gloss Sexy Pigment Cosmetic by COCUTE. So first, they are trying to tell it's like matte liquid lipstick and lip gloss. What are they trying to say here? In the package you get it's like lip gloss, but I'm afraid what if people actually search for getting this matte liquid lipsticks and ended up getting lip glosses? I don't know, like there will be a disaster scenario. So that's that with the name of the product. This is how we find the product in the website. They do sell this for rupees 256 rupees, but they do have this offers like 50% offer, and they actually sell this for 128 rupees. And now the lip gloss actually comes in this classy looking sleek black the cardboard box, and all the ingredients are listed over here. And you have the shade name, the number, and you have the shade number over here. This is C09, and this is how the package or the product actually looks like. The packaging is quite good. It's compact, nice, small, and good. This is a plastic case with a plastic matte finished cap. I'd also be swatching the lip colors for you. And the experience of the lip gloss is it's very lightweight, but then lip glosses are meant to be tacky, but this one feels like some kind of gum poured onto your lips, if you know what I mean. They are actually tacky to the level that your lips will stick together and they won't get apart forever. Those kind of tackiness. You have to be very, very harsh with your lips when you actually make in contact with each other, if you know what I mean. So the tackiness is extremely large. I have used other lip glosses which are tacky yet comfortable, but this is not comfortable. So these are the three shades that I managed to grab, and the shades actually vary a lot from the website. So again, that's a big minus. You have to be very careful with the shades that you pick. I actually picked up burgundy-ish kind of color. This one looked burgundy-ish kind of brown, but this one is a neon pink kind of color, which looks extremely bright on dark brown skin tones. So you have to be very careful with the way you actually work this on. And it also feels comfortable to apply the product on your lips, but as I said, the tackiness is the biggest issue with the product. So yes. So the next product I have to talk about is COCUTE brand Makeup Liquid Highlighter Illuminating Bronzing Highlighter Concealer Shimmer Face Glow Kit Cosmetic. This is the name of this particular one. So this one is a liquid highlighter generally, basically that's it. It's not an illuminator, nothing like that. It's like a normal liquid based highlighter which you're going to top on the top of your liquid product on your face, like wherever you feel like highlighting your face. They actually sell this for rupees 284 rupees, and out of offer you get this for 137 rupees. And to talk about this particular one, this looks stunning. Again, this one comes in a packaging like this, same as the the lip gloss. So this again looks something like this. It's a plastic packaging with again a matte cap. The product actually smells nothing. It has zero fragrance, and which is actually good because some people are not tolerant to fragrances. To talk about the consistency, the chunks of the glitter on this product are big, like bigger in the sense you will not be able to apply this on your face like on the normal areas, on the cheekbones, on the center of the nose, and everywhere like that. But you know what, you can just use this to highlight your body parts, or you can also use this as a eyeshadow, and you can also use this to top on the center part of your lips just to give like this glittery kind of metallic lips. And I'll just show you like a little swatch of the product. This is how it actually looks like. This is extremely glowy and nice looking in this form, but when you actually apply this on your face, it is chunky. It does not kind of spread well. When I actually use my finger to spread this, the product kind of disappears. As you can see, everything gets stick onto my fingers, which is like a disaster. How about applying and smudging this with a beauty sponge? I have already have like a dollop amount of the product over here, and I'm just going to be blending and showing you this with a beauty sponge. Again, you can see how chunky the glitter particles are, and they are not spreading evenly, which is like a complete disaster. Again, you can definitely not apply this on your face. So again, it's a big minus for the liquid highlighter. I had serious large hopes for the product, but it completely disappointed me. So I would definitely not recommend the liquid highlighter from this range. So the next thing is this COCUTE 2018 eyeshadow palette, shimmer glitter powder, waterproof, long lasting women eyeshadow palette, maculage. So this is what I was talking about. Now this has this cardboard package, which is really great, with no mirror and nothing, but you get like these 9 glitter pressed eyeshadows. I have to tell you, these eyeshadows are worth buying. They actually sell this eyeshadow for 648 rupees. You know what? These are worth buying. If you are really looking for some pressed eyeshadow, like one single palette consisting of all colors, you can definitely try this out. The best way to apply this eyeshadow is using your fingers. If you really need to deposit the glitter to a specific area, I should say like you could use a synthetic brush. That would definitely work. And also be showing you like how this works by applying this a bit onto my eyelids now. I have taken the golden glitter with a synthetic brush, and I'm just going to be applying this onto the center part of my eyelids. And you know what? This actually turns the eye look extremely gorgeous. As you can see, the glitter particles are not too big and not too chunky. There is no follow tissue, and the glitters are not actually transferring to the crease area when you actually open. And you know what? Sometimes the colors on the eyelids tend to move to the crease area. So I would highly recommend you to grab this one if you're planning to get anything from AliExpress. So that's it for this video, and I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also please let me know if you have any requests or suggestions in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.